Hi, this is Darren from ALO Upholstery and Interiors. Today I'm going to show you how to upholster this piece. Now I'm stapling the fabric to the front edge of the wood. Now I'm gluing firm foam on the front edge to level it with the wood. This is the type of foam glue that I'm using and the spray gun. To cut the foam, I'll be using this type of foam saw. Now I'm just cutting the foam at an angle to give it the edge that I want. Now I'm using 1/4 inch weld to staple on top of the wood. Now I'm using 1 inch firm foam for the front edge. Now I'm cutting 1/2 inch longer than the wood. Now I'm using a thin layer of fiber. Now I'm stapling all the side edge and the back of the deck first. So I like to lock a few staples first before I staple it all down. So where the front of the arm is, I'm going to cut a straight line and then the letter V. You want to do the same thing on the other side as well. Now I'm adding extra wood support for the top arm because I think it needs it. Now I'm using cardboard for the inner arm. So every frame is built differently, so you gotta work with the way it's made. Now I'm gluing 1 inch firm foam. Now I'm putting extra glue since I can't staple the foam part down. Now I'm using a 1/2 inch firm foam. So you want to make sure you cut the foam a little longer so you could tuck it in. Now I'm feeling where the wood is, and then I'm going to cut a straight line and then the letter V. Now I'm just cutting the extra fabric off so it makes it a lot easier to work with. So now when I'm making the pleats, I like to pull a little tighter so it holds this shape. Now I'm feeling where the wood is, and then I'm going to cut a straight line and then the letter V. Now I'm stapling fabric as a lining. Now I'm gluing 1-inch firm foam on the bottom edge because of the slope. Now I'm using 1-inch soft foam for the back. Now I'm using a thin layer of fiber so it gives it a nice soft feel to it. Now I'm feeling where the wood is, and then I'm going to cut a straight line and then the letter V. So you want to do the same thing here at the bottom corner. You want to cut a straight line where the wood is and then the letter V. Now I'm cutting the fabric because of the curved area. It gives it less tension. Now I'm using 1/2-inch cardboard so it gives it a nice straight line to it when you do pull the fabric down. Now I like to make sure there's no staple coming out when I do pull it down. Now I'm using 1 solid cardboard because of the curved outside arm. Now I'm using fiber for the outside arm. Now I'm going to put the legs on and tighten it with the bolts. Now for the outside back, I'll be using 1/4 inch welt like this. Now I'll be using a flexible tacking strip like this. After I'm done stepping all down, I'll be bending it. Now I'll be using a thin layer of fiber for the outside back. Now I like to cut the fiber pretty much even with the metal strip. So I like to cut a 1/2 inch longer than the welt. Now because of the curve, you want to cut it so it makes it a lot easier to fold it in. So once I pushed all the fabric in place, I'm just going to bang it down with the hammer. Now I'm using black lining for the bottom. So here's how the finished piece looks like. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please don't forget to like it and share it. Thank you, bye. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Thank you.